Hey bafethu, there's constant war laphana kwaThabethe. So Felicia is up, Felicia is well, Felicia is fine. But then the conflict between the family, Yana no Bonko, actually continues because Ubonko, guys, if you remember well, Bonko was the reason why Felicia was lying in bed. Shower engineer attack. So Felicia keeps on questioning Ubonko Uti, okay, when you said ukuthi Maruna is the life of your life, we understand. So manje kushone ephike lokho ke, you understand, because you cheating into yazi yona ukuthi ulale namantombazane ucheat ulale noMaruna because she is the love of your life. Mafethu ke bafethu uvashela intwana yakhe lapha uIshmael. Ishmael ke bafethu ufuna ukuyothumela imbali kuFelicia ukuthi axolise ngalokho abakufica lapha embedeni kaNobuhle abafice ndawonye kwi-bedroom yabo. So Ishmael wants to be remorseful once and for all, and he is saying ukuthi he is the one at fault yabona for making Felicia ill and sick. But on the other side bafethu, Ishmael manje ke is going too far, and I think he's doing things a bit more faster and excited ukuthi enze into ayenzayo. Ishmael tells Mafitotso ukuthi yena he wants to marry uNobuhle. Mafitotso kuyayivimba into bafethu ukuthi yena ngeke nje azakwazi ukuthi Ishmael ashade uNobuhle because ayabazomxosha ngempela bazombulala bazomxoba ke lapho ke. So bafethu uBuwendi ke wenzela uNkle Zakaria ibreakfast. Wenzela uNkle Zakaria ibreakfast. We understand. I never thought I would see this in my whole life ukuthi uWenda yenzele ubhuti wakhe breakfast, because these people are always having a cat fight. It's like they're having a fight at grade 1, those crash fights, guys. These people are always fighting, you understand. So Uncle Zakaria couldn't believe, you understand, ukuthi bamenzele breakfast, but there was a catch because Uwendi wants a policy information ka Uncle Zakaria, because I believe ukuthi Uwendi wants to actually chow money. She wants to actually eat up imali ka Zakaria because uyazi ukuthi Zakaria is ill, he is sick yabona nge-liver problem, so he might be passing on very soon, you understand. So Uwendi was questioning a policy information ka Zakaria. But on the other side bafethu Felicia gets a appointment yabona bayombona lapha na umndeni kaMfundisi uyobona uFelicia who has woken up from being ill. But ke manje bafethu kuyashuba because uFelicia knows ukuthi uBonko is cheating on owethu, you understand, and owethu ke said ukuthi yena she wants Felicia to be there and she wants Felicia to be strong abe ngcono ukuze a witness abazukulu bakhe noBonko yabona mabeshada futhi abe khona, and she wanted Felicia not to try but to promise her ukuthi uzoba khona. Felicia bafethu umpromisile ke she promised owethu ukuthi uzoba khona. Ngalena ke bafethu uWendi is demanding things from Maruna. uWendi wants the house from Maruna, and manje amsabotage nge-studio time sakhe yabona, questioning uMaruna ukuthi kanti ubenzani e-studio laphana ngoba phela bekumele ngabe uyahola ne-album futhi ayenzi kahle, she's not even receiving money or a salary laphana eGenesis because i-album ilikhiwe, so she can't receive royalties yabo. Manje ke lapho uWendi is demanding kuMaruna ukuthi no man, she wants the soft life, she wants the nice life, she wants a house because Maruna promised Uwendi a house yabona. She wants a full house, she wants to pop champagne, she wants helicopters, she wants to live the wealthy life, which is it's tricky guys. Uwendi is hungry for money everywhere nje ufuna imali. So ke bafethu niyabona ke bafethu these thugs banoboy ke bafike lapha abazofuna imali ke lapha ku Mafitotso. If you remember well guys, Mafitotso used these guys ukuthi baye lapha egedini la kaThabethe if ever uBonko wants to attack uIshmael. So these guys are back to want imali yabo. Mafitotso is owing these guys money yabo. So nayi nayibona bafethu imali esithombeni yabanika uMafitotso. But later on yabona when things elevated yabo, because as you can see, look at lo muntu lona, this person wants to chop Mafitotso's head off. So Mafitotso had to actually agubhe lapha phansi kwesponge sakhe and get more money to pay these guys. But finally these guys really accepted the money. Uboy ke ungixakile ngoba sefune yakhe imali eceleni. These guys are hungry for money man. It's all about money lapha eGenesis. Umsizi bafethu ke uyayisebenzisa gets a hold of le parcel ayitholile laphana kwi-admin desk, which is the USB kaMpumi. Well, of which I can say the guy is actually he's impressed yabo based on what he is hearing. Uncle Zachariah bafethu, as you can see, is writing will and testament. Opala will, because hey, this guy, it's bad for this guy. This guy drinks a lot. Yeah, bo. So I'm not even surprised why they say une liver sickness or liver illness. Ngalena bafethu ke kuwendi is peeping yabo ukuthi ubhala ini, but up until she notices ukuthi okay, Zachariah is writing will, finally understand, because what she wants is to eat imali kaZachariah when Zachariah is dead, you understand. So Zachariah apparently lives in a shack. So manje ubhalela abantwana bakhe iwill. So uwendi mayibuza ukuthi okay, manje if your children have to lose that shack bazohlala kuphi? Uthi uZachariah hayi abantwana bami bazohlala khona la. Uwendi ke disagree to that. Akafuni umntwana kaZachariah lapha. Nokuhle bafethu uhlangana nomngani wakhe lapha Mnandipha. They both work at Genesis. So it was about the incident yakhe no-Ishmael. So they speaking about it. And uNandi seems shocked ukuthi how can you actually sleep with a guy at your mom's house? Because kubo kaNandi, they were gonna chase her out. They were gonna kill her. Yabo? Because that's how strict they are ngakubo ukuthi yena she can't be that brave to actually sleep with a guy. Kubo. Unobuhle bafethu uyabona ke naye ukuthi wrong, because she kind of felt guilty about it. But let's hope everything gets resolved unobuhle yabona, because things are actually looking bad at home. Yeah, bafethu ke hayi yabona nje indaba kaBonko noFelicia bafethu. I don't know. So Bonko is kind of shocked ukuthi Felicia is up and Felicia should be resting. But Felicia ke is up. She's strong. She's claiming ukuthi she's strong and she'd do anything to actually live. You understand? But somehow I heard like she was saying ukuthi she faked being ill or something like that. Maybe I heard wrong, but at the same time there were those lines where she was like, she should have played sick longer in order for her to stay in bed and see what happens after that. So bafethu ubonke ubhekene nengcindezi. Bonko's under pressure because now owethu guys earlier on ucele ukuthi uFelicia yenze isithembiso. We understand ukuthi uzoba khona for abazukulu and the marriage yabonko nowethu. So ubonko ke is promising uFelicia ukuthi he will fix things, he will change, understand? He will be owethu's husband, you understand? But now Felicia is questioning Bonko ukuthi how will you do it, because Bonko is lying and Bonko cheated, Bonko cheated, you understand? But Felicia requested ukuthi Bonko must end things with the Owet, and Bonko is not ready to end things with the Owet because he believes he can fix things. And then Bonko approaches Umsizi, yabona. I think Bonko has finally known the truth. Umsizi was the one who actually reported everything to Felicia. So Umsizi lana is acting innocent. He is acting like he doesn't know anything. This guy is a liar. He's a spy and a liar, because he was the one who actually went to Felicia and told Felicia everything. Bonko leaked the album. Bonko slept with Maruna. You understand? Now Ubonko is like, when are you going to tell my mom I leaked the album because you protecting yourself? Kanti-ke vele Umsizi ubesebenza noGabriel. Uwendi-ke bafethu is putting bad influence kuMpumi, telling uMpumi ukuthi uyayifuna i-policy information kaZachariah for when he dies. They'll use minimal money to bury him and then they'll chow 10,000. They'll eat 10,000. Enye i-rest izosala kubo. They'll benefit from i-will kaZachariah or i-policy kaZachariah. The fight continues, bafethu. Yabona last phethe impi yamadoda ke manje. These men finally face each other and a fight broke out lapana in the studio. You understand? Because Umsizi finally owned up with okay, he was the one who actually went to Felicia and told Felicia everything. Shamanquba. But don't miss out Genesis. Imnandi Genesis. So the guys yabona i-band niyabona bafethu umlomo kaMsizi manje usuphume igazi, you understand? These guys are fighting and then the band had to come through and actually separate the fight between these two, because the fight was actually crazy. I won't lie, it was crazy. But let me know guys what you think is gonna happen next. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.